All right. So what I first try and do is is I want to get out all of the dead space, parts where I'm not speaking. You can do that a few ways. One is through using captions. The other is, which does help too, is using music, which is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to add some audio, and I have audio picked out for this. So all I did there was I went down to audio. I'm on the main menu, don't have anything clicked. I go down to audio, go to sounds. Here you have a lot of their recommended music and everything. You have file, you have TikTok sounds, and then you have favorites. Also at the top here, I can do things like the inspirational, and I can pick inspirational and uplifting background music, and I can go through and try them out. Just like any other platform, you just click there to start it, click it again to stop it. Over here, you can bookmark it or favorite it. And then here would add it to your timeline. And it will add it to where your cursor, your hairline is. So I'm not going to add anything there. What I'm going to do is go to where I have the file on my device. And I have this right here is the music that I want to add. And I think we've all heard that song in many hundred different versions, right? So what we do from there is if you click on the music, you can go to beats, which is right here. And this helps with if you've ever seen a video where it seems like the cuts and the splits on the video happen right when the beats of the music hit. So this does it automatically for us. If we hit beats, we could do auto generate. All right. So right now, so we could have, you see here on the left says light and on the right says intense. Intense means it finds every single beat through that entire sound or music. Light is it finds, every third or every fourth beat. So if we go up there, you see it added some dots in there. I usually leave it right about there because I don't really need much more than that. And then I go ahead and hit the check mark. So you can see now the yellow dots that are there. And sometimes that helps me to, align certain clips where I can see the music. I don't always add music at the beginning, but with this one, because there's no talking, you have nothing else to gauge. So I put some music in there to at least have kind of a basis where everything lines up.